Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to your mathematics class with your Ashu ma'am, and we are doing surface areas and volumes, unit 13 of your NCERT book. And yesterday we have done first three questions of 13.5 exercise. Now let's move on further. But before moving on, do like, comment, and share the video if you like it, and subscribe my channel. So let's proceed with question number 4. So what is our fourth question? Find the cost of digging a cuboidal pit 8 meter long, 6 meter broad and 3 meter deep at the rate of rupees 30 per cubic meter. Dear students, we have to make a pit. Pit means एक गड्ढा खोदना है. कॉस्ट ऑफ डिगिंग, जिसकी कॉस्ट ऑफ डिगिंग खोदने की जो कॉस्ट है दैट इज़ 1 क्यूबिक मीटर की कॉस्ट है ₹30. एंड नाउ वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट दैट हाउ मच रुपीज़ will be spent on digging out that much deep, long and broad pit. So what we have to do, as you all know that in case of a pit, अगर हमें गड्ढा खोदना है तो उस गड्ढे के अंदर जो फिल्ड मिट्टी है, द फिल्ड अर्थ वी हैव टू डग आउट, हमें वो निकालनी है. मीन्स इट इज़ फिल्ड, एंड एज आई टोल्ड यू वेन एवर इट इज़ द केस ऑफ फिलिंग we need to find out the volume. So first we will find out the volume of that pit and then we'll find out its cost of digging. So let's start. So what do we write? It is a pit of 8 meter long, 6 meter broad and 3 meter deep. So what we have to do? First we will find out the volume of earth in the pit. That is equal to volume of cuboid. We have to use this formula because the length, breadth and height of the pit are all different. That means it is in the shape of a cuboid. So means we have to apply this formula, and its volume is L into B into H. So how much it is long? It is 8 meter long, and be very careful about its units. You must watch whether all the dimensions are having similar units or not. So as they are same, we can put them directly. Into height is 3 meter. So by solving it, as this is the volume, we'll get the volume in cubic meter. Meter into meter into meter, cubic meter. And by multiplying it, we'll get 144 cubic meter. So now cost of digging. Cost of digging 1 cubic meter is given as ₹30. So what will be the cost of digging 144 cubic meter? What we will do? Yes, we will multiply the two like this. So the cost of digging this pit will be 4,000 rupees and 4,320 rupees. So this will be the cost of digging that much deep pit. Okay. Now let's do the second question number 5. The statement is the capacity of a cuboidal tank, again the tank is in the shape of cuboid, is 50,000 liters of water. Means the volume of that tank is given to us. Find the breadth of the tank if its length and depth are respectively 25 meters and 10 meters. Dear students, the question number 5 is almost similar to question number 3. But what is the difference? In that question, the capacity was given in cubic meters and the dimensions were also in meters. But in this question, the capacity is given to us in liters and dimensions are given to us in meters. So we have to first convert liters into cubic meters. So how we will do? Let's see. So dear students, this is the tank whose length and depth, means how much it is deep, is given to us. We need to find out the breadth. But whenever any dimension is missing, they will definitely give us some like volume or area. So as I told you earlier, always start with the given things. Now what is given to us? Capacity, means volume of tank is given to us. So we will start with this. So what is the volume as the tank is in cuboidal shape? So we will find out, we'll put the formula for volume of cuboid, that is L into B into H. And but as I told you, the two dimensions are given in meters and the capacity is given in liters. So we need to convert this liters into cubic meters. And what is the relation between the two? 1 cubic meter is equal to 1000 liters, but we need to convert liter into cubic meter. So this 1000 will goes in the denominator, means 1 liter is equal to 1 by 1000 cubic meter. So that means we have to divide this, because this is in denominator, means we are dividing it by dividing the given capacity by 1000, it will get converted into cubic meters. So like this, so what do we have? The length given to us as 2.5 meters, into breadth we need to find out, into height is 10 meters, is equal to 50 cubic meter, right? Now by cross multiplication we'll do the calculation. 2.5 meter and 10 meter. So as you can see, there are 2 meters, means meter square will cancelled out with 2 and 1 meter will be left. So by solving it, what do we get? We'll get B is equal to 2 meters. As this is the length, this is one side, so obviously its unit will be the single unit, that is meters. So in this way, dear students, try the next question and remaining questions also, and we'll continue them in our next video.